The evenings are so colorful if you are in Indonesia, and especially at this time the weather becomes more amazing. So you will see a lot of pedestrians. They just come out while they are enjoying. They are taking pictures, they are enjoying the surroundings, they are enjoying the atmosphere. Actually, the thing is, for this place I already made plan almost a week before. Unfortunately, because every evening there is rain, so I couldn't get here. In fact, I got here, but because it was raining, so I couldn't come here due to the raining. Today I am here. This place is actually called Tunjungan Romansa. As you will see, a lot of crowd is here. There are shops, people are enjoying. As I said, they are taking pictures while they are enjoying the surroundings. So as I said, so many people, they will come at this time because the reason is the weather becomes more and more amazing. The food, especially whenever we talk about Indonesia, we must talk about food also, because at night time the food is amazing, especially if you will visit the street food. So a lot of families, a lot of teenagers, a lot of couples, they will just come out, especially they will take pictures. Behind me there is Tunjungan Plaza, as you can see. Well, the site is just amazing, isn't it? Well, I do believe, especially if you are at this place in the evening, you would definitely really enjoy that. As I said, so many people here, they are just enjoying their moments. They will be here at this time because people, they just want to enjoy. And here we go. Tonight I am here, that's why I am exploring this area. To be honest, I'm pretty feeling so much amazing because the atmosphere, the surroundings, they are so much beautiful. So many pedestrians here, and I'm just enjoying myself. I will show you the view. The view is very interesting, and speaking of the teenagers, they are just enjoying the moment. Well, right now the area which I am going to enter, there is a lot of food is available in there, especially the street food. And speaking of the street food, as I said, this place name is Tunjungan Romansa. So many people you will find in this area, a lot of bikers as well, and it's very much colorful. So yeah, I'm enjoying myself while walking alone. Yes, he gave me the sign that you can pass. So what I was saying that, let's see, I will try what kind of foods here are available. But to me it looks very much exciting because whenever we talk about street food compared with restaurants or cafes, I prefer the street food because street food is more amazing. The area is very colorful. A lot of people, they are just enjoying their beautiful evenings with the families. Speaking of the food, now I came to the food area. There is different kind of food in here also. Hello. And there also, hello. Apa yang jual kamu?
We sell some mentai,
Okay.
salmon mentai, chicken katsu mentai rice, and
Oh,
chicken
that's the
mentai.
menu. That's the menu.
Yeah, we have 4 menu.
Ada bakso?
We don't have meatball.
Oh.
No meatball. You like
I
meatball? You like
I
bakso?
like. So you have only these,
Yeah.
okay.
This is
Itu apa?
which
The
one?
dim sum.
Dim sum.
Okay, dim sum. Salmon. Wow,
Yes.
salmon. Chicken, mantai rice.
And
Oh,
chicken
that's
katsu.
interesting. Oh, I see. That's looking very interesting.
Yeah.
So usually you people are here every evening?
Every day here.
Every day.
Every day from 4 p.m. until 9 p.m.
And for example, if there is rain,
What is it?
if there is rain, because usually every night there is raining in Surabaya.
Yeah, because from October until March or April, rainy season.
So even if rain, you still open.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
I thought if rain, you still not open.
No.
Oh,
We still
yeah.
open. Even the hard rain, we still open.
Oh, I see. Okay, I'm just exploring the area. I will come back. Okay, makasih ya, makasih banyak. Yeah, so as you saw, I'm just exploring the area. Here also, hello, how are you doing? Apa yang jual kamu?
Cendol, Pak.
Okay.
We have
Okay.
We have avocado,
Okay.
pure avocado. We blend it.
You sell only drinks.
Yes, I said it. I put it on my drink. And durian also.
Oh, durian. Wow.
The Asian only have durian.
Yeah.
I also mentioned that. But this one is the best one.
I would love to try to taste the durian, but later, because right now let me explore the area.
great,
Later
great,
on, I
great.
will come.
Okay.
I really want to taste durian.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
sure then.
Okay, thank you. See you later.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Hello.
Probably Arabian food, but
Okay.
I fusion it with Japanese food.
Oh. So you have mostly Japanese food, Arab food. You have Arab food.
Arab food, Arabian food.
Yeah, because here is mentioned beef kebab, Japan. Oh, it's like a mixture.
Yeah. Fusion. Fusion food.
Oh, I see. Hello. Wow, looking so delicious.
Yes,
Enak banget.
of course.
What is that? Itu apa?
Rice bowl.
Apa?
Nasi kaya, rice bowl.
Oh, I see. Looking very delicious. Ah, nasi.
Topping. 5 topping.
Oh, topping.
Yes. Tofu with balls, salmon, sausage, ada beef.
Enak banget. So as you can see, there is the menu, and in the menu, as she mentioned, there is mostly sausage, beef liver, a lot of stuff. And it's looking very delicious. Enak banget.
Tofu, telur, daging.
Trust me, I really want to eat all of them, but right now I'm exploring. I will come back definitely. Makasih, Abba. Makasih. So now I decided that I really want to buy something drink. The drink, actually I am wondering for it should be durian, because I never tasted durian before this. So I think I need to try durian, and let's see. I will try durian. I'm just wondering where is durian. Here I am again. Okay, I would like to try durian.
Alright.
Yeah,
We
durian.
have 2 different size.
Okay.
We have regular
Which one
size.
you recommend?
I recommend this size, bigger.
Bigger.
Like you.
Okay, I would love to.
Sure, sure.
Is there any other which you would recommend me?
Yeah.
Any other?
Durian.
I would
best one.
actually I would like to buy 2.
Only 2?
Yeah, but it should be different. One durian and give me the other different one.
Okay.
Your best seller.
My best seller is the original one. The original one.
Okay.
And I use the topping is 3 topping jackfruit.
Oh, jackfruit.
Yeah, jackfruit. Very nice.
Enak ya?
Smell it.
Yeah.
Smell it. Nah.
Oh. Wow.
The Indonesian nation. Where you come from?
Sorry?
Where you come from?
Oh, me. I'm from Pakistan.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. I'm Julio.
Oh, it's glad to meet you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Actually, to be honest, I love being surrounded by Indonesian people. They are lovely, nice people,
Oh, great.
very friendly. So I'm grateful.
Bali friendly also.
Yeah, I have been to Bali.
Yeah.
I will go back again. Yeah. So there is my drink, and it's looking very
The
delicious.
original one.
Yes, the original one.
The original always the best.
Oh, yeah. It's looking amazing. So you are here every night, every evening?
Every night, every night.
Every night.
But we are shift. Yeah, I mean we are 8 here and then until January.
Okay.
And January to March is the other friend.
As you can see my drink, it's looking pretty amazing. Enak banget. There is the jackfruit.
Jackfruit, yeah.
It smells amazing.
This is the Indonesian half. Authentic Indonesian.
Yeah. Well, actually, Indonesian street food is amazing.
Thank
Lovely.
you.
Yeah.
Padang, you have tried Padang food? Padang,
No.
Padang, oh. Padang food nice. Yeah. Nasi Padang, nasi Padang. Yeah. You go to nasi Padang, sederhana restaurant. Yeah, very nice.
Nice. Berapa? How much?
32,000 rupiah.
Can you hold it for me?
Okay.
Yeah. Makasih.
Sama-sama.
Okay, here. Thank you. Makasih ya. Welcome. Apa?
You can
Sorry.
follow our Instagram.
Oh, sure, sure. Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Makasih ya. Thank
Enjoy it,
you.
enjoy it.
Bye.
Bye.
So I just finished buy my food, and according to them they said that it's very amazing. You need to give it a try. I was just looking for durian, but they told me that you should buy the original one as well, and that's why I bought the original one also. I will taste them. I'm very much excited about them, and that is why I think there is another shop also. It's coming out. Is it a shop or something? No, they're taking it away. What's going on? Is it a shop? They are taking it away. They brought it. I have no idea. After buying the delicious durian and the original drink, now it's time to taste it. So now let's taste it. Actually, durian before this I never tasted. So let's see how it tastes, especially while you are having the juice. Ooh. Oh my god! It's so strong. This is the first time I'm tasting a durian, especially in a drink. It's very strong and it's very strong, but delicious, of course. It's lovely. I mean, this kind of taste I never had in my life. This is the first time, so it's amazing. Though it's very strong, especially for the people who are tasting the first time, it will feel like it's very strong, but still it's very delicious. Now it's time to taste this one. This one is the original, and he put, there was a fruit also, I don't know, I forgot the name, but yeah, now it's time to taste this one. So let's see how it tastes. Oh, enak. Yes, this one is also delicious. It's lovely. One thing you must remember whenever we talk about Indonesian food, the street food, so though if it would be drinks or it could be food, the taste would be just amazing. Same like the people are very nice, exactly the same as the food. So let me enjoy the drink. Wow, enak ya. Before, when I started it at the evening, at the beginning of the evening, the crowd was not like this. But now, as you can see, with the passage of time, because now it's getting evening, so that's why the crowd is increasing more and more. That's why I decided that I should go to that side. There is a lot of traffic, so I need to wait. And I think now it's time to jalan-jalan. Seriously, in this area, I'm really enjoying myself because this kind of crowd, I mean, I'm seeing after a long time. Now as you can see, the crowd, it's increasing more and more. Teenagers especially, I would call it, this area you can find a lot of teenagers. Most of them, they are recording, same like me. Well, I'm not a teenager, but actually most of them, they are taking selfies, taking pictures. Some are enjoying their food as well. You can see, yes, you can almost find any kind of food in here. So what I was saying, this area is looking very interesting. In this area, so many hotels, the buses, there is Swiss Belen, and beside me the famous Hotel Majapahit, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, This is Hotel Majapahat, very much famous. This is such like a central area. So many cafes here. The hotels are available in here, and especially behind me there is Tunjungan Plaza. And I think this is the reason that mostly families they prefer to come here. So this is the hotel, as I said, Hotel Majapahat. The hotel is very beautiful. The cafes, another bus, as you can see. Crowd area, full of life, very lively. And well, to be honest, I'm really enjoying this evening. This is one of the best evening in Surabaya. Just look at the colors everywhere. People, they are enjoying themselves. A lot of food, kids, cafes. So I would say that yeah, mostly I like to prefer these kind of places compared with malls. And now it's time to cross the street. Actually now I'm getting tired because I'm exploring this area almost from more than 1 hour. I enjoyed my food, I enjoyed my drinks, I had conversation with people. So pretty much I really enjoyed this evening here in this area, Tunjungan Romansa. Trust me, you guys also need to give it a try. You would really enjoy in this area, because I would say you cannot find better area than this one. Full of life, so many people, very lively, very cheering, and that's why you would really enjoy that. This is Salman and I will be signing off. So until next.